Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name in the street. My name is my name.
All right, YouTube, out here trying to get it together, man. Clean these wires up and wire everything. Gotta find what I did with that other fan. That one fan right here. Got another fan over there. It's hard to see it. But that one. Gotta find it. It's somewhere in this garage. Garage junkie is, I don't know what. Could be in the back, could be in the car, could be basement. Anyway, I'm gonna run them side by side like that. I moved it from right here. I'm gonna clean the wires up. Do all that. What else? What else? What else we got? Oh, y'all know I got my wiring kit. My speakers just came. So well, yeah. Because the first box y'all seen on that one video, they sent me the wrong speakers by mistake. They were 12s. I don't mess with 12s no more. That was back when I was a young child. Younger. So, let's see what we got here. Let's see. Hold on, YouTube. Alright, back with y'all. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Y'all see the series I got right there. Come with a cool sticker that I'm not putting on my car, but sell it. Put it on the wall or something. Big skar 15. I don't even know if I'm able to pull this with one hand. Hold on, YouTube. Alright. Here we go. Firm, really firm, man, really firm. Magnet on this bad boy. Yeah, I'm happy with it so far. These motherfuckers are heavy, Jack. Heavy. RMS. I could have got the 2 ohms, but forget it. Yeah. Then my ball joints just came. Ball joints. But my tie rods just came, right? Tie rods came. How the hell, or why the hell would, it's in the house, but why the hell would somebody order just one tie rod unless they just broke one and they stuck on the side of the road? These people only sent me one goddamn tie rod. I just sent them an email. Hell, I'm gonna do it with one tie rod, man. One tie rod. When you're changing one tie rod, you might as well change the other one. I ordered 2. How y'all just gonna send me 1? Crazy. Then also, these came in. It's for the amp. So, I'm gonna rock with this box for a minute. I can't think of my man's name. I'm gonna put it, matter of fact, it's gonna be in the right-hand side of this screen right now. Man, me and him was going back and forth. He's been following me. Well, we've been following each other for a nice minute now, man. I was about to say, I seen him with the box. Looked like a pretty good box, man. Pretty good box from JP Audio. Yeah, I like that. Only thing I don't like, you gotta wait 4 to 6 goddamn weeks. And I might try these speakers inverted first, then put them back in the right way. Them motherfuckers heavy. I had to have my man pull the truck around here, goddamn it, because he went to the front porch. Luckily, I was home. He was about to dip out. I'm like, man, can you put that back in? My finger messed up. And pull it right to the garage, because it's right around the corner. Like, look. I don't know if y'all, let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, see if you look. Right where that car at, that's the front. And then you have to come down with, like, where this car's facing now. That's where I'm at. Had him bring it on for right down here. But yeah, man, we getting it together, so stay tuned. All right, YouTube, I'm trying to mock up my amps. I'm gonna have them sitting off the floor on them boards. On them 2x4s. It's not high off the ground. But I got the fans. 2 fans for each amp, like this one. is going to this amp. This one is going to this amp. This one is going to this amp. That one is going to this amp. So we have a cross breeze underneath. Wire all that up. Wire all this. And yeah. Trying to clean it up a little bit, because once I put it down, if it's messy or whatever, it's just down, man. I ain't going back. I don't never go back. So y'all stay tuned. I'm just trying to make it look pretty. So y'all stay tuned, man. Stay tuned.